Hi, everybody. This is Corey Jeffers, tech coach in the Oshkosh Area School District. Today, I want to provide you a suggestion for making grading of essays or any kind of written work a little bit more expedient. So, what I have right here is a dual screen. First of all, there's a Wikispaces page on the left-hand side here, one that I used to use with a numbering system of all different types of commonly used suggestions for writing when I was a writing teacher. On the right-hand side, then, this is a document that was sent out via Google Classroom, and it's just a test document. So this is the student's work right here, which obviously is not real work, but it's just for the purpose of this illustration. So what I've actually used is just a standard tool inside of Google Docs. So if you end up going to Tools and then you go to Preferences, you can actually change the things that get auto-inserted into this location here. So, for example, what I can do is take one of these suggestions over on the left-hand side. Let's say that I'm in the process of teaching kids how to avoid comma splice errors, and that might be one of the things we talk about. So it's actually error number 26, or something that we go through in class a lot, that I see in students writing a lot at the secondary level. So I'm going to replace this with number 26 right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and push the Control V, because I've copied this entire comment over here. So now number 26, whenever I type the #26 or the hashtag or # 26, it's going to replace it with this comment over here that says comma splice error should either use a comma with a conjunction, a semicolon, or a period with a capital letter. It's a lot of stuff to write for a very small error, but if it is something that we're going through quite a bit, maybe I do want students to actually be able to get that. So I'll kind of show you how this works then. Let's say that, first of all, I think this particular piece of writing is having some trouble with the topic choice. So I might just write a number 1 in here as a suggesting person, because in Google Classroom, you're always a person that's suggesting. So let's say I put a number 1 in there and push a space. Then what happens is it says topic choice is too broad or too general, and the essay is impossible to cover satisfactorily in the allowed number of pages. So this might be something that you consider that you enter into a kid's document then. So let's say that I continue in the writing, and I find that in this particular case, I have some evidence. Here it is. This particular one is a problem as well. That's a number 26 right there, which is the comma splice error. So if I do that number 26, then I just push enter right after it, it will enter that particular bit of information there for me. It shows my information in green, so kids will know what number it is. They can see what the actual error is in there. So this could be a pretty quick way of showing how to quickly auto insert. Of course, you do actually have to start off with a list of information that's like this one. This is just a list that I've been piling together since about 2010. It's not the most perfect list out there, but it is one that's of things that we go through as a writing class in 7th grade. So definitely not endorsing the list over on the left-hand side, but certainly am endorsing the process over here that could make things a little bit easier for yourself as you go through this. So, all right, hope that helps.